Amidst the lingering morning mist on ancient leaves, the old forest gently awakens, revealing a serene space with rustling wind and the clear sound of falling dew. Within this morning dance, a tiny creature begins its journey, subtly emerging from a decaying tree trunk, bringing forth the fresh breath of burgeoning life. This marks the quiet dawn of a new day for the forest, where the existence of these minute beings holds profoundly significant meaning. Look closer. A tiny, almost invisible orange-yellow speck gently lands on a dew-laden wildflower petal. This is the stingless bee. Their size is truly modest, barely half a grain of the smallest rice, easily overlooked amidst the forest's myriad greens. Yet, this very smallness conceals an immensely great role, a silent but most enduring power within the life cycle of this primeval forest. They lack venom for defense or significant size for notice, yet possess an indispensable mission, spreading life with every flight. With fragile wings and tiny bodies, they glide over each flower, each stamen, carrying out their silent pollination task. These tiny, persistent architects tirelessly build the diversity and prosperity of the ancient forest ecosystem, without pause, day after day. Unlike honeybees building high aerial nests, stingless bees choose much more discreet and secure shelters within decaying trees. They seek out hollow logs, rotten tree trunks, or natural crevices in the wood, where light is just enough for navigation. This creates a private world, separated from external noise and danger, a natural fortress protecting a thriving tiny society within. Inside those seemingly inanimate tree trunks, a vibrant, meticulously built world exists, with stingless bee nests typically palm-sized. These unique wax structures are distinct from honeybee nests. This hidden existence helps them avoid enemies and maintain ideal temperature and humidity. This provides the most favorable conditions for young bees' development. Each nest proves their perfect adaptation to the harsh ancient forest environment. The stingless bee's sanctuary is not just a hiding place, it's the heart of their entire community, reflecting a deep survival instinct. Within the warm darkness of decaying wood, new life cycles are nurtured, preparing the next generations of stingless bees for their life-giving journey to flowers. Thanks to these humble homes, stingless bees can continue their crucial mission of maintaining the delicate balance of the forest ecosystem. Despite their small size, stingless bees have an incredibly organized and complex society, much like other bee species. In each nest, a majestic queen bee undertakes the reproductive role, the source of all life, surrounded by hundreds of diligent worker bees. Worker bees tirelessly forage for nectar, build the nest, and care for larvae. Each individual understands its role, contributing to the community's prosperity. The coordination among nest members is a natural wonder, from young bees nurtured in small honey chambers to adult workers toiling diligently. All activities unfold smoothly and efficiently, without conflict or waste, only continuous dedication to the colony's survival and development. Stingless bee life is a lesson in teamwork and community sacrifice, where each individual is an indispensable link in the chain. Every bee, no matter how tiny, carries an important task and never ceases its efforts, tirelessly flying through the deep forest. Worker bees bring back precious nectar and golden pollen, while the queen diligently lays eggs to maintain the lineage, and young bees grow with careful community care. This miniature society operates on harmony and dedication, where every moment is a ceaseless effort to sustain life. Unlike other honey, stingless bee honey is not abundant but incredibly rich and rare, with each amber drop shimmering like crystal. Under sunlight filtering through the canopy, it embodies the essence of thousands of forest flowers, a natural treasure with unique flavor and precious medicinal properties. This honey, collected from fleeting blossoms, possesses unique flavor and medicinal properties unmatched by other bees. To create this precious honey, stingless bees must flit among countless wild flowers, from hidden bushes to high-blooming blossoms. Each journey is a refined selection, gathering the purest essence from the forest's rich flora, a true medicinal treasure. Stingless bee honey is not merely food for the colony but a valuable medicinal resource, known for healing and health benefits, proving their invaluable worth. The flavor of stingless bee honey is a symphony of the ancient forest, sweet and pure, with a distinctive subtle tang. It reflects the biodiversity of their habitat, an unmistakable signature. Its rarity lies not only in its scarcity but also in the diligence of tiny bees. They meticulously gather and protect every drop, offering a priceless gift from nature, a true treasure of the green forest. Each time a stingless bee's delicate wings vibrate in the air, hundreds of tiny pollen grains are released, invisible seeds of life. This is a ceaseless pollination journey, a continuous dance of life unfolding amidst the forest flowers, bathed in golden sunset light. The bees labor tirelessly, unaware that their every tiny step is shaping the very future of the entire forest ecosystem. The existence of a flower, the fruitfulness of a tree, or a seedling's germination might all be due to these tiny stingless bees' silent efforts. They are tireless messengers, carrying pollen from flower to flower, connecting plant individuals, ensuring genetic diversity and continuous ecosystem regeneration. Unseen by many, every blooming flower and abundant harvest serves as a testament to their unwavering dedication and profound impact. The stingless bee's pollination journey is an unbreakable link in nature's cycle, as they tirelessly fly from towering ancient trees to low-lying shrubs. They touch every opening blossom. Their diligence provides not only their own food but also ensures the propagation of thousands of plant species. This creates a rich, colorful tapestry of vegetation, forming the foundation for countless other species lives in the vibrant forest. Under the day's last light, as the forest stills, stingless bees continue their final flights, seeking no recognition or applause. Only the gentle flutter of their wings, like nature's whisper, sows seeds of hope into the air. Every blooming flower, every ripe fruit bears the mark of their ceaseless journey, proving that the smallest things can create the greatest change. However, this fragile beauty and balance face an immeasurable threat. Forests are relentlessly destroyed by humans, and decaying tree sanctuaries are cut down. Uncontrolled forest fires erupt, engulfing all life, turning cozy stingless bee nests into ashes, an immense loss. This loss is not only for stingless bees but a deep scar on the soul of the entire ancient forest, impacting its very essence. When bee nests crumble and stingless bee numbers alarmingly decline, the consequences ripple throughout the ecosystem, silencing the forest's rustle. Flowers will no longer bloom, trees will struggle to bear fruit, impacting the entire ecosystem's natural cycles and regeneration. The disappearance of stingless bees is not merely the loss of a species, but the collapse of a crucial link in the food chain and forest regeneration. Fortunately, not all is lost to destruction's shadows. Some people understand the forest's value and these tiny creatures' roles. They actively protect and even create new habitats for stingless bees by placing hollow logs or preserving decaying tree trunks. These seemingly simple, small actions are like preserving nature's faint breath, a fragile glimmer of hope for the forest's revival. In our busy lives, we often seek grand things and great achievements, but profound philosophies can emerge from the smallest beings. Seemingly insignificant creatures like stingless bees quietly save our world, teaching us that life thrives not through muscle or power. Instead, it relies on delicate balance and continuous connection. This harmony is the key to a sustainable world and a vibrant green future.